Hello and welcome to the next in the series of the Scenes of Italy colouring book. I've got quite a good start on this because it has been a bit fiddly doing all these little intricate bits, but this is the Duomo in Milan, so the cathedral, and there are lots of photographs on the internet of the cathedral, so you can look up if you want to colour it in the correct colours. There are plenty of images for you to find. So I decided to just go a bit wacky with this one, and I have chosen some pinks and purples, so different shades of just a couple of colours, as you can see. So I will get on with this, and I think I might do just add one complementary colour into the stained glass window, just to break it up a bit. As you could probably tell from the clip before, unfortunately my camera was slipping on the tripod and I hadn't realised until right at the end. So part of the recording obviously was just the top corner. So this is the finished picture. I decided to go with green, 2 shades of green for the stained glass window. Could maybe have done with 2 different shades in there. The statues are all the pink, and up here as well. And the main background are the lighter colours, and then I've picked out the details with the darker ones. So that will show you that you don't always have to stick to the correct colours to make a lovely picture. I've also just left the sky as well. You could do it with, I find bigger areas are better with coloured pencil, so you could do that. But hopefully that's got some inspiration for the Duomo in Milan picture. And next time will be the last picture in the Scenes of Italy colouring book, so please join me for that. See you next time. Thanks, bye.